the title of our workshop is Web Engineering Collaborative Music Learning. And of course, I want to thank the web audio people, web audio community people for hosting this workshop. And I want to especially thank Michel Bifa for all his help and for solving everything on time before we even think there is a problem. This workshop is, of course, on online music learning. And my colleague Konstantinos and I, we are here to represent a research project consortium. We have a research project which is called Music Co-Lab. And of course, it is not just Konstantinos and I. We're about 15 people, I think, including our students. And a lot of our colleagues are online. So I want to say hi from Cannes. And okay, so in this workshop, we have we had 6 submissions. 4 of them come from our project, our musical lab, and we were very, very happy and very, very honored to receive another 2 papers. So one from the United States, from Kaitlyn Penn and Pett and Christopher Raphael. And then we have another paper also from another Greek university in Athens. So we have in total 6 papers. This is interesting for us because we are new in web audio technologies, we are new in music education, and we want to let people know about our work, and we want to find people to connect and collaborate with.